delaying the Sunnah of the Dhuhr due to some commitment and business, it's perfectly okay. Even if a person didn't get to pray the Sunnah of Dhuhr until after Adhan for Asr, he can pray the Sunnah, he can make it up after Asr, and that is stated in the Hadith. Also, if a person is tied up and doesn't have an access to pray the Dhuhr, you still have until the time of Asr. We all understand that the Almighty Allah said in Surah An-Nisa, إِنَّ الصَّلَاةَ كَانَتْ عَلَى الْمُؤْمِنِينَ كِتَابًا مَوْقُوتًا. So the prayer has been ordained upon the believers during fixed times. So we must commit ourselves not to pray before the time is due and not to delay the prayer until its time is out. But, you know, I was doing something that I couldn't leave. I'm a nurse, I'm a doctor, I was in the bus, I'm just waiting to get off. And I prayed a few minutes before Asr, that is valid.